What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today it's supposed to be a day that I finish the Porsche. I have actually around 30% left to finish, but a client of mine called me earlier this week to have his Mercedes A-Class decontaminated and waxed. So he's actually on the way right now, and once it's here I will do the decontamination and I will do the wax. His car is a little bit dirty because of the places he parked his car at, so which is not an issue. Just need to do a very thorough decontamination and then finish it off with a layer of wax. So I guess I'll show you guys everything in the cinematic sequence, and I hope you guys enjoy the video so far. You guys, so I'm done with the A-Class. Took me slightly over an hour, almost around 2 hours to finish the car. And it's crazy sunny right now, so let me just show you guys a quick preview. Yep, not too bad, not too shabby. The thing is, after the coating, even under the sun you can see that, I mean, minus all the shitty car wash, the lack of maintenance, the stains and everything, after removing everything, what is underneath is the most important. So let me show you guys the surface condition under the sun. You guys can see that there's literally no swirls even after 6 months of abuse and everything. So I would say overall the car is in pretty good shape. So I'm just gonna end the video here. It's gonna be a short video, so like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon.